Thanks to the Home Depot Seeds program, we're going to be assembling the Coco steel wicker 3-piece chat set. Nope, you don't need a smart device to use the chat set. These are some of the pieces. You get a table. I think that's a back. There's another one there. That's definitely the seat. You get cushions with it, a little bit of hardware, and you get these two pieces, one of which showed up bent, but I don't see anywhere in this manual that I need those pieces. So join us on the journey as we assemble this and try to figure out what that's for. Well, my user's guide said Stylewell is the manufacturer. Hampton Bay is also a name you'll see associated with this particular model. Name of it is Coco Steel Wicker 3-piece set. Model number FRS 60745-ST-1. You get 2 wingback chairs with cushions and a table. The color is brown. The wicker is made of polyethylene. It's about 15 inches from floor to the bottom of the seat, 29.5 inches from the bottom of that seat to the top of the chair. Cushions are about 3 inches thick. Inside width of the chair is about 21. Armrest is 3 inches. Table diameter 17 inches across. Steel framing is used to provide support, and it's rated for both indoor and outdoor use. One of the things I noticed is that this furniture is UL certified, which I had never seen before for furniture, only for electrical. Speaking of the furniture, the build quality seems nice. I don't see any wicker that's just poking out or broken or looking out of place. So we're going to assemble this. At the bottom of the chair is upside down right now. It's sitting on top of the table that came with it. There are 3 little metal pieces which are threaded to take the screws that come with the kit. And all you're going to do is take the base, and the base has 4 bottom legs. So you're going to take this, and that part there is going to sit up against here, and then you just attach your screws. There's an included key for the screws, but I'm going to use a T25 bit on my drill just to make things a little faster since it's cold and wet and I'd rather be inside. With the base of the unit upside down over the chair, we align where the screws are going to go, and then we should be able to drive this in, hopefully. I think you want to do the center one, so that'll make it easier to align the ones on the left and right. Once the fastener catches, you just drive it in. And you're ready to do the remaining 2, left and right front. When you have all 3 of them in place, then you're ready to flip this over and put it on the floor. Here's what it looks like when the legs are attached to the chair. Then all you need to do is add the included seat cushion, add a back cushion, maybe take the plastic off of both of them, and you're ready to enjoy a life of leisure, coldness, and rain. You still have to do the other pair, and of course we still have to unwrap the table. Our screened-in porch already included a couple of wicker pieces, so we thought this would be an excellent opportunity to add a little bit more wicker in our life. And although this is not white wicker, but a kind of beige looking wicker, I still like the look of it. The table is weaved, so you could place maybe a circular glass top on that if you wanted to for drinks to protect it. It's all wicker throughout. The bottom, of course, has a nice touch that they put some legs on it, so it's the wicker itself is not sitting on the floor, though I think this part here is not real wicker. Because look, you see how it looks like it's kind of welded there? But this certainly is. This flexes and feels very organic. I like the look of this. I'm going to sit down on one, and the cushion feels comfortable, and it's nice that it includes a cushion. We might want to get a bigger back cushion for it, depending on your choice. But the lumbar support that one provides is actually quite nice. And while it doesn't include the obligatory cup holders, I think this will make a nice sitting area for anyone who likes the openness of wicker and the nice look that it can bring into your seating area. I like the fact that it's got a really nice solid base that attaches mechanically to it. And overall, I'm very pleased. Looks like it has strong supports. The only question I still have is, where do these two metal bars go? Anyway, if you found this video interesting or useful, give us a thumbs up. Leave us a comment. Join the subscription team. Keep commercials from appearing inside this video. And as always, thank you very much for watching.